Hi, so in today's video you're going to learn about how you can make money as a hacker. Yeah, so is that the real thing? Is it possible to make money as a hacker? First of all, before I show you how, let's first define the word hacking or a hacker. What is a hacker? So a hacker is someone who gains access to databases, systems without permission. So if you gain access to something without permission, it's called hacking. Okay, so how can you make money with hacking? Is it legal? Is it illegal? Well, gaining access without permission, yes, it's illegal and you can't really make money. And for this purpose, to make money, you need to become an ethical hacker. Okay, so who is an ethical hacker? So an ethical hacker is someone who hacks with permission. I know it sounds funny because how do you hack with permission? Well, there are companies which have got systems which require protection. Okay, so they usually hire hackers to protect their servers, their websites from hackers because you can't really protect something you don't know. So to protect something, for example, from being hacked, you need to be a hacker to know how hacking is done. Okay, yeah, so ethical hacking is not about gaining access to people's Facebook accounts. No, ethical hacking is about finding vulnerabilities in a system and finding solutions on how you can close them. Okay, so hacking is not about just clicking a button and a person gets hacked or a server gets hacked. No, it's about finding vulnerabilities and find solutions on how you can close them or prevent your servers databases from being hacked. Okay, so now you understand the difference between hacking and ethical hacking. Now, how can you make money? Okay, so as for me, I'm a website developer. Okay, I am also a search engine optimization. I am also a web security specialist. I am also I'm a lot of things. Yeah, so just know that. Okay, so have I ever made money in hacking? No, not really directly, but yes, I have. Okay, so since I've got more than one website. Actually, I've got two websites of which I manage. Okay, so by having hacking skills, they have helped me prevent my website from being hacked too. Okay, almost every day I receive some warnings that someone is trying to hack my website, but my website has never gone offline. It's still active. The reason is because I know how websites are hacked. Okay, I've tried hacking my own website. I've tried looking for vulnerabilities, and I've worked on it such that it can't get hacked no matter what. Yeah, how do you become an ethical hacker? Okay, you first become a hacker, then become an ethical hacker. Well, the truth is there are a lot of platforms to learn hacking. You can learn from Udemy, you can learn from YouTube videos for free. Okay, there are a lot of platforms you can learn hacking from. So once you learn that, you should probably also try to get like a certificate in ethical hacking, and you might get a job from a company and start protecting their systems. Or you can just become like me, protect your own website and make money. So as for me, I am protecting my own website. I am protecting myself from being hacked. I protecting. Yeah, so this is it about today's video. So this video was about how you can actually make money with hacking. Even if I don't make money directly through hacking, I make money through indirectly because my website is never offline. And if my website is never offline, it means that it's making money. So if my website was to go down for a day, I would lose money because people would not access my website and I would make a loss. So by knowing how to hack, how hacking is done, I've been able to protect my website from hackers. So that's really paid me. So I have made money from hacking. So this video is one of the videos in the playlist called 100 ways of making realistic money online. Okay, so subscribe if you'd like to keep on receiving this type of videos. You should check out the playlist. The playlist link is in the description. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment. I read and reply to all comments. So I guess it's bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow.